Hey, what's up? My name is Bair. I am a real estate agent with eXp Realty here at my new listing in Perkasie, Pennsylvania. Address is 213 Park Ridge Drive. I'm going to take you through on a little tour, and it's hitting the market. So if you want to any information on it, call, text, email. My link will be down below in the description as well. Feel free to reach out however you want to get a hold of me. So when you enter the door, you come into the living room with a couple steps right up here that go right into the dining room and then the kitchen over here. So it's 1,700 square foot, just over 1,700 square feet, 3-bed, 1.5 bath. You can see right here, there's also a nice deck. We'll show you that a little bit as well, but I'm gonna take you through. You can see as well, fresh carpets and fresh paint, so it's definitely move-in ready. I'm going to take you up here, kind of show you the layout. So right here we got the dining room that wraps right into the kitchen. Nice spacious kitchen, plenty of countertops right here as well, but you can see behind me there's even more space. The current owner had a small eat-in kitchen, a little table there. But you can add countertop and cabinets, whatever you want to do with that space. And then right here, there is a second entrance to the house right on the side. Both of them are on the side of the house next to the driveway. But in here is just extra, kind of like a mud room, extra storage. We'll step down right into the living room here, kind of show you. So we'll go, after the living room, take the stairs up here. Right here, we'll go into bedroom number 1. So right here we actually have, in the full bathroom upstairs between all the bedrooms is actually where the laundry is located. And then in here we have a pretty spacious master bedroom as well. So right off the living room, we come out to this 3-tier, pretty spacious deck in the nice fully fenced in backyard. And you can obviously see there's also a storage shed behind me as well. But very nice space, great for entertaining, hanging out. You know, if you have young kids, it's fenced in. If you have dogs, it's fenced in. So it's a very nice space. So again, this is 213 Park Ridge Drive in Perkasie, Pennsylvania. My name is Bair. I am a real estate agent here with eXp Realty. If you're interested in this house, if you're interested in any of homes, feel free to reach out to me. My number is on the screen here, my email as well. Call, text, email. There's links in the description below as well. However you want to get a hold of me, I'm here to help you with all of your buying and selling needs and help you reach your goals. So feel free to reach out. Talk to you soon.